Good morning. Welcome back to What's Wrong with Your Bobcat. We got a call from a customer. We've got a blown hydraulic line on a Toolcat 5600. So let's go out there and see if we can get it figured out. if you've ever worked on a Toolcat and you got a blown hose on it, it's not fun. All right, so we made it to the 5600. Check this out. We actually blew a steering line on it. See, the machine has four-wheel steering. You can see how the wheels are turned. So there's no way for the customer to get it loaded up to get it back to the shop because, well, he can't steer. Lost all his hydraulic oil. Here's what we got. Check this out. Blown steering hose right there. So we can pull that hose out, go have it built, come back and put one in, or we can do a field repair. What's a field repair? Let me show you. Okay, so we're going to use a field reusable hydraulic fitting. These are really cool. When you're in the field or if you've got equipment that's nowhere near a shop and you work on equipment, it's good to have a couple of these in your box or in your truck. This is what they look like. So we've got a collar here at the bottom. That collar is going to spin onto our hose, and then the top, the fitting, is going to screw down into the collar, and it basically wedges into the hose and the hose sticks into the collar. And I mean, really, it's as good. I've used these forever. This is a temporary fix on this machine, but they can be used for a permanent fix as well. So what we got to do is cut the hose in half, make sure we got clean ends on each side, and we've got two fittings, so we're going to put one on each side. So we've got a male JIC and a female JIC, and they'll just hook together like that when we get done. So let's get this hose fixed real quick. Oh, getting oil all in my grinder. No fun, no fun. Okay, so we got it cut off where the hose was blown, but I'm gonna make a clean cut on it as well. Clean cut on that side. Oh. Cool. All right, so here's how we do it. Put the collar on the hose. Put the fitting in there, a couple screws, a couple threads down. We'll tighten this collar until you start to feel resistance and where the wedge is going into the inside of the hose. And there it is. And then we screw the outer part into the collar. All right. Now let's do the other side. Okay. yeah, so check that out. As easy as that. Without a hose crimper, we were able to mend this hose. It's just a temporary fix, but we got to get this machine moved on the job site and get out of this mud hole. And there's a couple other hoses that are bad too, so we're just going to fix them all at the same time. But now that we got the temporary fix in, we can start it up, get some oil in it, and get it moved. So yeah, let's get it finished up. So how cool is that? So I know it's not the most beautiful fix, but it's not meant to be permanent. This is just to get the customer up and going so he can finish his project, and then he'll get it to the shop and we'll get it fixed more permanently. So potentially this job could have cost me half a day, 5 hours. Pull that hose completely out of there, have to go somewhere, get it built, come back, put it in, top off the oil, test it. A matter of 30 minutes, we got the hose repaired and topped off, tested, and he's ready to go. So I guess the moral of the story is we saved the customer a lot of money and a lot of time and a lot of frustration. So these reusable fittings are great to keep with you. I keep them for single wire and dual wire, 3 different sizes mainly, number 4, 6, and a number 8. So yeah, so quick easy fix on the Toolcat. Now let's get packed up and call it a day.